What's up, everybody? This is Jake&Iris, and today we are going to be doing our first Pokemon card opening on YouTube, and we are going to be opening a Charizard EX box, which is something I've never opened before. I've been looking forward to it. I cracked it open earlier, but have not got into it yet, so we're just going to go ahead and get into it and check this thing out and see what it's got. So, there's the box, and of course, it comes with 4 packs. We got a X and Y Steam Siege pack, an X and Y Evolutions, another X and Y Evolutions, Fates Collide X and Y, code card, if anyone would like to get this code, you can have that. And it comes with the Charizard EX Jumbo. Very nice. I've always wanted a Jumbo. This is actually my first Jumbo card. So we'll set this in the back. And here is the Charizard EX promo card. These things are always tough to get out, so let's see if we can get it out without any damage. And that is nice. I've wanted one of these for a while. It's a little warped and damaged on the edges, but it's a promo card, so we can always get another one. So I'm going to go ahead and sleeve this up either way. And that is nice. So, let's get into the packs. I'm actually going to open 2 packs and let Iris open 2 of the other packs. So, I guess I will open a Fates Collide and an Evolution, and she can open an Evolution and a Steam Siege. Okay, so let's get into this Fates Collide first. I think I know the card trick. Maybe I'm right. We'll get the code card. There's that, if anyone would like to use that. And let's see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that should be correct. Okay. And we have a Whismur, Fennekin, Vullaby, Larvitar, that's nice, Cottony, Cinccino, I like the artwork on that, a Fairy Drop Trainer card, Loudred, a Reverse Lasses Special, and regular rare X-Blow. That's okay for this first pack. Wasn't really expecting anything special. I've opened a lot of Evolution packs, so I'm really not expecting anything special out of this either. It's just always fun to open packs, especially on your first video, so I'm enjoying this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. We have a Vulpix, Rattata, Energy, Leaf, Poliwag, Nidoran, Male, Full Heal Trainer, Machoke, Potion Trainer, a Reverse Kakuna, and a regular rare Raticate. Pretty disappointing for our first 2 packs. Nothing really special. So now we'll let Iris open her packs and see if she can have better luck than me.
Yeah, I don't open them.
Well,
you open them.
Obviously, she cannot open the card, so I will do this. This is the Evolution stack.
You're in the light, but
We have a Vulpix, Nidoran Male, Ponyta, Pikachu, Poliwag, Poliwhirl, Pokédex Trainer, Potion Trainer, Magnemite Reverse, and a Mega Charizard EX. Oh my goodness, boys. I cannot believe we pulled this. I have been wanting this card for a very long time. Amazing. Amazing. We're going to go ahead and sleeve that up. And that's amazing. And I'm running out of time on this video, so we'll probably have to do a recap on our next video. But we have one more pack to open, so I'll try to hurry. We got a Bergmite, Fungus, Mankey, Shellos, Dino,